happy Halloween. This month, I'm going to fill up all of my Halloween videos. And today, we are going to make Vampire Headband. The one way. It's so easy. We just need a headband and some of this glitter foam and a pen, templates, and some scissors and some hot glue. So let's get started. First we're going to trace and then join it and then do a trace again. Okay, so we're going 2, 2. Okay, let's do it. So now we're going to lay around and we're going to do the same thing. One last one. Done. And I'm done. Now we are all done. And now you're going to cut it. Huh? It's not working. Mama, I cannot see it. It's too light. Now like this. Okay, when done. Okay, so I'm already done. And it looks like this. Have 1 wing, 2 wing, 3 wing, 4 wings. And both of them we are going to stick together like that. Now we are going to trace this and we are going to do the rubber bands for Vampirina. We are going to do pink color. Okay. Oh, this one better. Oh, this one's better, you know. Now we're going to trace 2 of these. Okay, done. We are going to cut them. Okay, done. So now we are done. Now we are just going to glue this. So if you have trouble, you need an adult to help. So you can use your mommy or daddy or grandpa or grandma like that. Or a big brother or big sister. So now let's get do it. Why the glue's not coming out? First we are going to glue the wings. And then we are going to leave this part later. So let's get glue done. Can I do it? Okay. I really can do like this, Mama. Ooh, so hot. So that's why I need a adult to help. So I think it's done. Okay, the next one. Can I do it? Just a little bit left. So finished already. Okay, done. So now we are going to cut the excess here. Now it's all trimmed up. Now we are going to glue it on the headband. Okay. Are we going to do it right here? So first we are going to put glue right here. And then we are going to put this. Okay. First we are going... Why is it sticking? Like that. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we are going to put hot glue again on the outside. Ooh, splitting it out. Okay. Now we are going to put the dish like this. 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now we are are going to glue the bottom part. I have to glue right here at the bottom. Just like this. One.
Okay.
Let's just lay it out. I already do it 2 times already.
Okay.
Yeah, it hurts so much because now we are done. And then my hand already got burned from the hot glue. Now we are going to put the long strip. We are going to wrap it around. And we do like this so it cannot get my hand. We'll turn it. Now we are going to put the hot glue like that. Okay. Now put like this. Okay. Now put again at this side. Okay. I think we'll just put a little bit right here. Like that. One more side. To put like a little bit far. So I cannot get me. Okay, done. Wait. I'm trying to get out. Go guys, I'm done. So you can make this your own, or you can go to my mom Etsy shop. Leave me in the down below. Don't forget to watch the Devil Headband. I will see you guys in my next Halloween video. Wow! And don't forget to subscribe.